this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So in order to bold text, let's type in something like Canva creators. So okay, this is the big one. Let me resize it so that it will be easier for you guys to see. So in the top bar, you can see there's the option of bold. So you can simply tap in there, and there you go. This is how you bold letters or text in Canva. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, you can use it in the whole paragraph as well. If you want to bold the whole paragraph, that's the same thing. You gotta simply select and hit this bold. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.